today's video, I want to go over the retro radio from Haynes. This is a self-built kit. This is what it looks like when it's all done. It comes with a little instruction manual. This is everything that it comes with. And you build it yourself. It has really good directions. And as you can see, there's really good color diagrams. And then it takes you step by step through everything. And then when you get to the end, and on a few of the pages, it'll give you an actual picture instead of just the color diagram. I am not an extremely proficient electronics person, but I was able to do this, and if you listen,
over any pillow and extra deep pockets to fit over any mattress.
So there you go, and it works. Here is what it looks like. This is your little antenna. Let me scoot over. That's your antenna. And then these dials actually work. So this is your volume. This is your tuning.
Go to My Pillow.
There you go. And then on the inside, this is what it looks like. This requires no soldering. As you can see, here's a little dial when it turns. Here's a little dial when it turns. And this is your tuning. So on here you have your speaker. Let's bring this a little better. Then you got your speaker, the radio board, 9-volt battery, your capacitors and your boards, and then your little jumpers. And everything just sticks in. One really good thing about this is it is no soldering. I think it's ages 14 and up. It's like 20 bucks on Amazon, but it's just a fun little thing. It took like an hour maybe to put together, and it's just a fun little radio. So if you're looking for something easy to do that's inexpensive, and our daughter helped with it, and it's just an easy little radio to do. I just wanted to do a quick review on it. So this is the Haynes little self-built radio, and this is what it looks like. It even has a cool vintage look on it. So there you go. That's it. Thank you for watching.